Upbeat music playing. What's up, Buy Smart family? Welcome back to another episode where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a battle of the skies. On the left, we have the sleek and sophisticated DJI Mini 2 SE, and on the right, we have the budget-friendly Istone 5. It's a drone showdown, folks. Let's dive in and see which one flies higher in our hearts. All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room. The price. The DJI Mini 2 SE comes in at $279. Now that's a lot of dough, but hey, quality has its price. On the other hand, the Istone 5 is just $119. It's like comparing a gourmet meal to a fast food burger. Sure, one will empty your wallet, but the other might just leave you with enough cash for dessert. The DJI Mini 2 SE is lighter than a feather, weighing in at less than 249 grams. It's perfect for those adventurous hikes and road trips. No need to register with the FAA if you're just flying for fun. Meanwhile, the Istone 5 is like that friend who insists on bringing their entire wardrobe for a weekend trip. It's compact and foldable, fitting right in your pocket. Both are easy to carry, but the DJI is like carrying air. Now, let's talk flight time. The DJI Mini 2 SE offers a whopping 31 minutes of flight time. That's enough to cover your entire neighborhood and maybe even spy on your neighbor's barbecue. And with the combo pack, you get up to 93 minutes. The Istone i5 gives you 30 minutes with its 2 batteries. Not too shabby, but it's like running a marathon versus a sprint. Smile for the camera. The DJI Mini 2 SE has advanced shooting templates on the DJI Fly app, making you look like a pro with just a few taps. Reviewers highlight its high-quality pictures and videos with smooth gimbal stabilization. The Istone i5 has a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like comparing a DSLR to a smartphone camera. Reviewers, however, mention grainy and colorless images. Both take shots, but one might just make you look like a National Geographic photographer. Calling all drones. The DJI Mini 2 SE has an insane 10 kilometers transmission range. You could practically fly it to the next town and back. Reviewers mention it maintains a strong signal. The Istone 5, well, let's just say it's more of a homebody. It's great for close-up shots, but don't expect it to go exploring without you. Some reviewers even mentioned losing connection unexpectedly. Windy days? No problem for the DJI Mini 2 SE, with its 38 kilometers per hour wind resistance. It's like the Superman of drones. Reviewers commend its stability in windy conditions. The Istone i5, on the other hand, might need a little more TLC on breezy days. Some users even lost their drone due to wind. It's like comparing a kite to a jet plane. Both drones are beginner-friendly, but the DJI Mini 2 SE has a few extra tricks up its sleeve, like the return to home function. It's like having a built-in GPS for when you get lost. Reviewers appreciate its intuitive controls. The Istone i5 has features like headless mode and one-key start, landing. Both are easy to fly, but one might just make you feel like a seasoned pilot. Based on Amazon reviews, the DJI Mini 2 SE is highly praised for its advanced features, stability, and camera quality, making it a great value for its price. Reviewers find it easy to use and reliable. On the other hand, the Istone 5 receives mixed reviews, with some users enjoying its affordability and fun factor, while others face issues with its durability, camera quality, and connectivity. So there you have it, folks. The DJI Mini 2 SE is like the luxury sedan of drones, while the Istone 5 is the reliable economy car. Both have their perks, but it all comes down to what you're looking for in a drone. Do you want all the bells and whistles, or are you just looking for a fun, budget-friendly option? Let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick. And remember, whether you're flying high or staying grounded, always buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, happy flying. Product links are in the description.